Now, with the onset of winter, the bulls return to the coast. The remote beaches and isolated islands of California's Año Nuevo State Park are home to some of the northern elephant seal's largest breeding colonies. A male hauls onto the beach where he was born with a singular objective: to sire offspring of his own. It's a goal he shares with other competing bulls. The question is, where are the females? They're on their way, but before they arrive, the males must compete over the best territories which attract the most females. Once a bull wins his territory, he won't even leave it to eat. Hoping to claim a quiet place of his own, this young male tests his luck against an imposing senior bull. When the older bull's had enough, he lets loose a terrifying roar which subdues his opponent. But the competition's only just begun.